This is Sade, which is a 62.5-foot traditional style narrowboat. Was professionally repainted a year ago by a company called Spiderworks, who are based in Northamptonshire on the Grand Union Canal. As you can see, she has a glazed cratch board and a cratch cover with zipped panels with clear flexi screens in them, and then you get onto the well deck. Beneath that is a stainless steel water tank, and you drop down a couple of steps into the saloon area. Two freestanding swivelling leather upholstered chairs in here and footstools to go with them. And then if you turn round, you can see that there is a Brunel multi-fuel stove in the corner as well. Very efficient things, about 4 kilowatts they're rated at, more than enough for a narrowboat. Nice woodwork too. So they built curves into the shelving here, and the cupboard units are glazed. And this is all lined out in an oak-faced finish. Moving on down the boat, here you have an L-shaped dinette. This will make up into a temporary double berth for guests as well. And then beyond that is the open plan galley. It sort of works on a zigzag as you go through the boat. Once again, lots of cupboards and storage space in here too. You've got gas cooking, you've got an under-counter fridge here. Side hatch as well, as you can see. And gas cooking. And off down here, and this works as though it's a walk-through bathroom. The doors shut at either end to make it full width. You've got a pump-out WC there. They've also got a spare porta potty in here too for emergency use, and a shower over a sort of 3/4 size bath as well. Then you get the permanent double berth. You can see they've got a good wardrobe at the end here, which has got a mirrored front to it. Overhead cupboards as well. Much of the lighting in here is LED as well. Not all, but as it's been replaced, LED has been used, which is, I think, undoubtedly the way to go with any boat, or indeed caravan and motorhome for that matter. Electric panels here. There's a 1.8 kilowatt inverter built into the boat, and there is also an electric bow thruster as well. And this is the view from the steerer's position. Beneath this board here, you will find the engine. You'll see a shot of that here. It's a Beta Marine unit, a 1305, 35 horsepower unit. And that is Sade. For a photo gallery, a layout plan and a downloadable brochure, please do go to rugbyboats.co.uk.